Students of class 5, today we will learn about how to insert text, numbers and formula in MS Excel. Chapter number 6, class 5, Introduction to MS Excel. As you all know, in previous lecture we have learned this is formula bar, what are rows and numbers. Rows are represented with numbers and columns are represented with alphabets. And when we combine rows and column, a new cell is formed. Intersection of row and column is called cell, where we enter our text and number. Today we will learn how to insert text, numbers and formula in MS Excel. Page number 89. Inserting text and number. Follow these steps to enter text or numbers in a MS Excel 2007 worksheet. The cell where data has to be entered should be made active. Students, suppose I want to enter next name. So first I will select the cell with the help of mouse. Then I will enter text. Type the value and press enter. On clicking the formula bar, two small buttons appear on its left. Here in the formula bar, suppose I want to enter a value. First I will put equal sign and then I will select my cells. After selecting, then I will press enter. A cancel button with a symbol of a cross. This is used to cancel the data entered without having to press the delete key. Instead of using the delete key, you can use the cross sign. An enter button with a symbol of a tick mark. This is used to enter data without having to press the enter key. Students, as you can see, before formula bar we have a cross button that is used to delete and we have a tick button that is used to enter. In figure 6.8, inserting data in MS Excel, we have cancel button, enter button, function, formula bar and active cell. Next we have inserting formula. It began with an equal sign. Any kind of formula can be created in MS Excel. Once the formula is entered, the calculation is executed immediately and the formula itself is visible in the formula bar. As I show you, here in formula bar, we will first enter equal sign. Then suppose I want to add these two cells. So first I will select my first cell. Which is D3, then I will select my next cell and then I press enter. It will add the two cells. The formula can include the addresses of the cell whose value will be manipulated with appropriate operators placed in between. Operators will be addition, subtraction, multiplication. The formula may consist of only values, for example 5 plus 7, combination of a number and cell address, for example A1 plus 3, only cell address, for example D2 plus E2, as I show you in the example. Next is cell alignment. Cell can contain text, numbers or mathematical formulae. By default, text entries are left aligned, numbers are right aligned. Students, as you can see here, roll numbers are numbers which are right aligned, means it is on the right side of the cell, and names are text which are left aligned. It is on the left side of the cell. So, text entries are left aligned, numbers are right aligned. Formula begin with an equal sign. We will always start our formula with an equal sign. These are left aligned before an enter key is pressed. After pressing the enter key, it gives the answer in numbers which are again right aligned or text which is left aligned. It depends on your formula that your answer are number or text. If it will be text, then it will be left aligned, and if it is numbers, then it will be right aligned. Figure 6.9, text is left aligned and numbers are right aligned. And in the formula bar, we have written the formula with an equal sign. How to save MS Excel 2007 file. After completing the work, you can save the changes in two ways. Click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. Choose a directory folder to save the file in. Specify a file name and then press Save. Students, suppose I want to save my this data. First, I will click on File. Here I will click on Save As. In Save As, I will click or select a folder where I want to save my data. Suppose in Documents or in Desktop or somewhere else. After that, selecting the folder, a dialog box will open and I will give name to my data. And then click on Save button, and in this way my data will be saved. Or I can click on this Save button, and the shortcut key of save is Ctrl plus S in the Quick Access toolbar to save my data. Both ways are used to save your data. Or click on Office button drop down list, Save As option, select the file type from the submenu. The Save As dialog box appears. Select the destination folder and specify the file name. Click on the Save button. It is recommended that you save your file every 10 minutes. It is advisable for you to save your work as soon as possible. Figure 6.10, Save as dialog box, the one I show you. Then you will click on this save button and your data will be saved. You will give name to your file and then save it.